Where are we going, Andrew?
Beach.
Beach! Who's excited?
Not me.
We had a great night's sleep. Everyone's beach ready, sunscreened up. Oh, she's watching flashbacks, guys, from 2 years ago at the same beach.
I don't know.
Hilarious.
What are flashbacks?
You know, when you look back.
The directions to the beach are?
Yeah, I just have to grab my sunglasses out of the big car.
Does this beach have rain in there? Yeah, can't open it.
Can't open it.
How do we unlock the
Pull.
Cool.
There you go. And it's a sunny, beautiful day on Cape Cod. And we can't wait to be out here and enjoy our glorious backyard. Here is our outdoor shower, which is absolutely amazing, right off the deck. And then we have a hammock over here. So sunny and pretty this morning. Happy times.
Bad times.
Look how pretty this is. So pretty.
I can even hear the birds.
Oh boy.
I can even hear the birds.
You can? All right, I have to get my sunglasses. On the way to Bank Street Beach. What time is it? We got 9:17 and
16.
Oh, 9:16. Sorry, I was a little ahead of myself. So welcome back to the vlogs, guys. It's been a while since we've been uploading on the regular. We're gonna try to do this properly. It's not easy. It's not easy, family of 6, keeping it going, huh? But we need all the thumbs up on this video right now that we can get. Maybe we could get like 200 thumbs up. I don't know, in the first 24 hours. Sounds like a good goal. So smash that thumbs up button and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you're doing today, what your plans are, how your August is going, and maybe tell us what beach you go to. This is our first beach day of the entire summer, which is ridiculously hard to believe because we've just been playing nothing but baseball.
Baseball. Fortnite.
And Fortnite. True story. Fortnite and baseball.
Well, we went to
So
the
now
beach for like
our beach days begin.
Golf lessons, Owen. You can go get golf lessons.
We went to the beach for an hour in Ocean City.
Oh, maybe, yeah, we kind of did, but we
just me and
didn't
you.
even have our bathing suits on though, so does it even
Yes, we
count?
did. We went in the water.
Did I?
Yes.
Oh, I did! Right!
I was,
So that pretty house.
yeah, Owen was grumpy.
Pretty, pretty. Alright, let's go to the beach. How quick was that ride to the beach? So fast, right?
There's a megalodon. Megalodon.
So what happened to
Put
my...
on my face!
Oh my goodness. Daddy's gonna spank you boys.
Get off!
You gotta behave yourself.
Get off of me! Ow.
These boys deserve a whipping, a spanking.
I need a weapon to kill him.
Stop it. Can you guys just calm down a little bit?
Grab the bed one.
Just get out first, buddy. Okay? Let's use our common knowledge.
What?
Common sense. Come on, get out first. Look at.
Yeah, there we go.
Anyone need a boogie board? Yes, we're well stocked. All the stuff that we need for this beach excursion.
I want to
Wowzers.
try to catch a crab. Yeah.
I'll pull the cooler. Okay?
I'll try to. Hey, haven't you put a dead
No, you have, buddy. Oh, here we go. Achoo, dab sneeze. I'll pull the cooler. You're too little.
Andrew, come on.
But it was a nice offer.
Andrew, that's metal. Don't drop it. I don't even
Watch out for the car. Watch out for the car.
Didn't take them long. Someone's already asking for food and these guys are already in the water. To be expected. How is it? Watch out for Andrew! Uh-oh. Ooh. It's going good, guys.
my seaweed tower.
Very good, very good. I give that
People come come out of the
I know,
water.
I know. They step
They like have to go on this.
right through it, right?
Like they can't go this way.
No, they can't.
They step on that.
They're just jealous. They want to test it out. Working hard, Andrew. Keep digging, keep digging.
Andrew started off with this. Started off with that. And somehow.
Daddy. Faster, faster, faster.
It's all good going and it's not even going to be rolling. Mine is the safest one. Yes, here it comes. Oh, boy. What? It's going to come in. Oh, and that just hit. No.
This kid's determined right here. Woo!
Don't wait down.
There you go.
Beach is good.
Aiden. Oh, stop.
Man, look at my boat. It's getting destroyed.
Sorry.
I need help. Can we go home?
You want to go home now? Have you had it today? You're here a long time, huh? Oh, 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 got it. You gonna sit in one of the chairs? Good boy.
I want something to eat.
Again? Good, buddy? Andrew! Hi! You have a hat. Good question. I'll find it. Back from the beach, guys. We all had the best outdoor showers, didn't we?
Yeah.
Amazing. So now we are just chilling on the deck. Poured myself a glass of wine. Cheers to vacation. Andrew's here on mommy's phone. Emily's here on her phone. Aiden, what? No. Owen was out here on the hammock, but he went back inside. I think they're playing backyard sports on the PS4, whatever the heck's in there.
I want to go on the
But it is so beautiful, such a nice evening, and we are just in super relaxation mode. What time is it? I think it is. I think it's evening.
I'm going to go in the hammock.
You go on the hammock, buddy. Be careful, don't fall off. What time? 3:55. Man, we had a great day though. Great day at the beach. How's vacation going?
Good.
How's vacation going? Andrew? Andrew? How's vacation going? He's cute, isn't he? He's cute.
Go up close.
Yeah, see what he does when you go up close. Probably gonna be very, very, very still and very, very quiet. Listen, he's probably gonna run away if you go on the grass. closer. Go a little closer.
Go away.
Oh, he's still there.
Eating grass.
Yeah, he's having his dinner. Do you want some grass? Ask him if you can have some.
I want to scare away.
No. I think he hears that. See if you can go up close. Oh! And he ran away. That was quick.
Does that count? That counts as one. That doesn't count. Yes, it does. Half a point. No. Yeah. No, there's no half. That's a one. How does that happen?
How does that not count?
Because it's stuck to the on it though. To this one.
That's on.
It's stuck to that one.
It definitely counts as something.
It's not on. That counts as one.
So what is this game called? What is this one called again? Ladder ball.
Okay, so I called like ladder.
Ladder toss game.
It's your turn.
Andrew's turn? Yeah. Andrew, are you good at this? Okay, let's see what you got, buddy. Should I go back here?
No, let me go back here.
Hang on.
Back up more.
And a 1. And a 2. And a go.
Oh, it hit your leg.
You gotta whip it a little bit more.
Go like this.
Give it a good toss.
Not next round.
Good try, buddy.
Wait, there's only
And a 1. Swing your arms real good. Swing them good. Swing your arms.
Oh, so close.
So that was better.
Okay, my turn. It has 2 points. I have 2 points.
2 of what? Yeah, is there supposed to be 2 of these ladders? Oof.
Oh, so close. I'm last. Okay, so you got 4 points in total. You're last. No, Owen, you're playing. It's my turn. Oh, don't hold them in one hand. Look what happened. I'm sorry.
Little did we know that Andrew's toe is actually really good at this. He was supposed to score how many points? 5?
Yeah,
And he did.
Final round.
In final round, he got 5 points and literally hit the bottom rung and the second and the middle rung. So now he's a tiebreaker round with Emily. So we'll see what happens here. Okay.
Oh, we're actually doing a round.
Are you? I know.
Tiebreaker.
There's a tiebreaker happening now.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. That's good stuff right there, Andrew. Oof. Andrew, you gotta keep up with this. Ooh, only 2. So Andrew, you gotta beat 2.
You gotta get on the bottom one. Get on the bottom one or the top. Or the top. It doesn't matter. And if you get it top or bottom, you win.
So Andrew, remember what I said? You gotta let go. 1, 2, and then let go when it's. He's got it. He's got it. All right, Andrew, you got this? You need a good swinging motion and just let it go. Ready? 2. Oh, that was bad, buddy. Yeah, you lost all your momentum on that one. Swing it. You gotta swing.
1, 2.
Lots of swings. Like, don't stop your arm.
Stop. Just go. Ready?
Like last time.
1, 2.
1. Ooh, close.
You have to get it on the bottom one.
All right, on the blue one to win.
Get on the blue one. Or the red one to get a tie.
Oh, it's a good luck hug. Big swings.
2.
No. Go, try again. Quick, quick, quick.
1, 2.
Oh, close.
Okay, I'm going first. I'm going second.
Good job, buddy. Emily just scored 8. We started a new game. Holy moly, she's good at this.
How did you do that?
Like that, we're headed to a Chatham Harwich playoff baseball game. Emily's really excited.
No, she's not. I'm not.
It'll be good, guys. If it stings, we can leave. It'll be good. I promise.
Stink.
Boys are gonna love it.
This is all bad.
Good idea.
Go with Aiden. I trust me. And they were eating it. So they do.
The Chatham Anglers would like to thank Franklin Sports for its sponsorship of the Cape Cod Baseball League. Franklin is yet again proud to be the...
This is how you do the snapper.
Of course, we found their favorite place. Gumbies. Gumbies.
I want a Lucky Charm. Where's the key? Do you like this?
Spam?
Yes.
Yes, good. Spam, 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 spam.
Do you like this?
Yeah, can you go look at your candy?
We want that.
That's too big.
No, it's not.
Oh, yes, it is. Look at these cuties. Can you guys say goodnight to everybody? Nighty night. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.